Now as you can see, tumefika hapa. I'm back. As you can see, that's the ceiling of today, and that's what it is. Yeah. Hope mkiangalia iko fiti. But then there is this time kiti ya bulb imeanguka na si kurudisha. I have to, yeah, as you can see, that's how it is. It is that way. Now that's the house. I hope guys you're gonna comment about it and say, am I a carpenter? Can I do carpentry? God bless you and do you good. As you meet for the next video, I salute you all, and I wish you all the best in your life. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the notification bell. God bless sana na watendee mema. Tupatane hapo pengine, na ukataka kunifikia, my number is 0705903298 0705903298. I love you all. Shalom. Yeah, I've tried to do all this. I'm sorry I had to pause a little bit because of the light. Nimeona light kuna vile inasumbua kiasi. This is the window. Yeah, as you can see, it is somehow very good. Yeah, inaonekana sasa hivi vizuri. Yeah, as you can see, that it is how it is. And as per now, as you can see up, kuna hizi nini nimeweka sai. Yeah, because I want to put the ceiling. Yes, you can see. Yeah, I want to put the ceiling, and immediately I finish putting the ceiling, I will show you the way forward. And okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification bell, and share to most of your friends. Wacheni tufike 1000 subscribers. At least mmejaribu sana. Yesterday I left it at 423 subscribers. Yeah, and views were 13,700 and something. Yeah, so let us do a good follow up, and then tuweze kufikia mahali tunafaa kuwa. So na msisahau, by the way, I'm doing some things which are very good, as in nafanya kuuza mashamba. I'm selling plots, mansionettes, bungalows, apartments. Also I'm doing the selling of the what is it called, selling of the vehicles. Let us see nini nataka kuweka. This is our ceiling of today, and I'm hoping things will work out well. Yeah, so stay there na tuone what will happen next. God bless you. Hello guys, hope mko fine, mko bie. God amekuwa pamoja na kila mmoja wetu na ametubariki. It is a very that God has given unto us, tukielekea kumaliza huu mwezi wa April. Yeah. It is a very awesome moment, yenye tunaweza kubuka mambo mingi ambayo tunaweza kufanya. Yeah, the previous upload ama the previous video, it was asking whether it's more official does carpentry. That's what we want, just to try to confirm, and this is what SK Samuel official has tried to do, and I'm hope God will bless us very much. Let us see what SK Samuel has done and what he is going on doing. Yes, as you can see, this is the nimeweka nini kwa sababu this place is ni Limuru na kuna kwanga na baridi sana. So this room has been imekuwa na baridi sana, so I decided to do niweke hizi, what is it called, gunia. Yeah, like kwa wall, sides the wall. Yeah, you can see this is the door. Yeah, you can see all the way. You can see the way it is. That's what I have tried to do.